Step number 1. All you got to do is click on the ads. Step number 2. Wait for 30 seconds on this page, don't do anything. And step 3. Make money. That is exactly how people from different countries all over the world are able to get paid by simply clicking on ads. Now don't worry. This is 100% legit, and this is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any money. And this is available worldwide. In all countries. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer, and you can follow step by step on this video. I'll show you examples and proof, but before we start, welcome to Digiconcept, where we teach you how to make money online, the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The website that I'm showing you today is where you can get paid by simply clicking on ads that are on aticlicks.net. As you can see, you can start earning extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different surveys, participate in different contests, complete different offers, refer other people, or simply play games. But more importantly, our focus for this video is on visiting websites, which means that you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads. Then you can get paid with real money. As you can see here, they are super transparent about all the earnings on their website. You can see right here, the total paid out amount and how many users are registered right now on this website. They even show you the last of the withdrawals of other people. They show you their usernames and the country they are from. They also show what payment methods have been used. Once again, you can cash out through different payment options. Say for example, you want to pay out on PayPal, SkrillPay, TMPay, YourNetTeller, AirTM, or Perfect Money. You can even bank transfer. There are just so many different payment options available worldwide. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So before I'll show you exactly how to register for a free account, I'll first show you all the proof of payment. As you can see here, they show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday, a lot of people have already started cashing out their money. Now you can see here under the username therapy, sickly from different countries, you can see here, the different country flags beside the username. And there are just so many people from different parts of the world. Finally, being able to earn real money on this website, simply by clicking on ads right here, you can see the total paid amount. Literally anybody can do this, even if you don't have any experience at all. And I'll be showing you a lot of examples of how you can multiply and earn double and even 10 times more money compared to other people. You could earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars right here on this website right now. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button to register for free. And from that, it's going to bring you to this page. Type in your full name, your email address, birth year, birthplace, and just click on this. I'm not a robot, and agree to the terms of service. Click register. And it's as simple as that. Once you log into your account, the first thing you're going to see is the leaderboard. They are going to show you who is the top earner. For example, this guy is number 1. You can see the username and from what country he's from. You can also see his total earnings. And when he started on the site, these are all the people from different countries in the world, earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And all they do is really simple. The good news here for you is that you can do exactly the same thing that they're doing. Now, once you log into your account, you'll find different ads where you can click on them. And the most popular ads are actually the banner ads. These are all the banner ads that you can click and then you can get paid again and again. No. If I click on any of these banner ads, that's going to bring me to a random website. What I want you to do is to stay on this site for, let's say, a couple of seconds. You don't have to click on any buttons. You don't have to sign up or buy anything, just stay there for half a minute. One very important thing to note is you have to scroll up and down the website, because if you don't move anything, they will think that you're a robot and they won't really credit any money into your account. So it is very important. Once you reach the website, just scroll around. And once you move a little bit, you could just stay there for about 10 seconds or a little bit more. And once again, start moving. By doing that, you can prove to them that you are actually human and that you're not a robot. After a few seconds of doing that, they will be able to credit money into your account. Once you finish the one banner, you can just go on and click on another banner. There are just so many different banner ads that you can click and start getting paid. Moving on. The second way to get paid is to click on the daily fixed ads. As you can see here, these are the daily fixed ads, and just click on them and stay for a few seconds. Then you can get paid. Now let me show you their proof of payments. As you can see right here, these are all the people talking about all the payments they received. If you click on them, you will see their different testimonials. All of these people getting paid just by simply clicking the daily fixed ads. You could just simply do this again and again. Make sure you do this multiple times a day, though. Essentially what you can achieve when you complete the few daily fixed ads, you're able to unlock standard. As you can see here, that's going to pay you a few times more money. Now, all of these ads, you need to stay again for a little less than a minute to get paid, depending on what ads you're clicking. Some of them, you have to wait for 15 seconds, and some of them you'll have to wait for 20 seconds. Usually the longer you wait, the more money you're going to make. Now I'll show you the ultimate bonus tip. This is something that no other people talk about. And that's what essentially helped me earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on this website. You're going to notice it here on the leaderboard. Look at all the top earners. Out of their total earnings, more than half are coming from the referral earnings. Now that's the ultimate secret on how all the top earners are ranking on the leaderboard. They are making the most amount of money by simply referring people to this website. And you can do exactly the same thing. So on one side you can simply click on ads to make money. And on the other side, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website. And you could earn passively. What I want you to do right now is to go on to dimeforum.com. Basically this is a forum that discusses different topics on how to make money online. This forum is actually very active and you can join for free. You can see here that a lot of people are posting on this forum and they're getting lots and lots of traffic. A lot of people go over to this website to search for free information. So type in the keywords, "How can I make money online?" and click on the search button from there. It's going to bring you to this page where you can find different people asking similar questions. Now, if you click on one question, you can see right here that other people are posting their answers. What you can do is when you scroll down below, you can see that this is where you can type in a reply to this post. This is where you can include your referral code. You can just repeat this again and again, on different posts. This is actually a win-win situation. You know, they get to know how to make money and you are able to make money through referral commissions. As you can see, this is one of the best ways to make money on API clicks other than simply clicking on ads. And that's it. This has been Digiconcept. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.